Hi guys, so welcome back. You are joined with a new video of Senul Tech Vlog. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to create something like this, or if we say how to make text glow using Adobe Premiere Pro. So the version I'm using is 2021. You can also do it using 2020. I don't know whether 2015 is possible to do, but you can just try it. So guys, that's it. So let's go into the video. Okay guys, so I have imported media and created a sequence. I'm using this video clip as the background, which the text is being glowed. Let's start the tutorial. First of all, take the type tool and you should type a text. Now I'll go to the selection tool and resize it. Okay. Now I'll drag it to the size of the background clip. So make sure you put it on the text layer. Make sure you put this text layer on the second video timeline, second video section, like video 2, and put the background in video 1. And also you should have the video 3 section. Now what you should do is right click on the text layer and copy the text layer, and then just unchoose the first video section and choose the red video section like this. You can see that is in blue color. Now press Ctrl V, just right click on it, become like that. So then click Ctrl V, choosing after you choose this. And now you have done it. So what does it do? There's no glow effect, right? Wait, isn't this working? No. I'll think like that. No, don't think like that, because we should add effect. So that effect is go to the effects tab and go to video effects, expand blur and sharpen, drag Gaussian blur to the below text layer, the middle layer, the text layer on the video 2, as you can see what I'm doing like this. Now I'm done with that, and go to effect controls tab, and from there choose the second text layer, which I'm choosing, and the other one, the middle one, the one middle of the top text layer and the background. And then here you can see for option expanded called Gaussian blur. The blurriness is 0.0. Just expand it. You can see our text is starting glowing when you just expand it. Whoa. So okay. So now I'm done with it. So now what I should do is I don't need white color. I don't like white color. So I'm going to go to the Essential Graphics tab and choose the text layer with the blur effect. Okay. So after you choose it, make sure there's a text called Gaussian blur and also the text you typed. So that means that's the correct one. If there's no text called Gaussian blur, that's the wrong one. So make sure you choose the correct one from the layer section in the timeline. And now from here choose the text, scroll down, and there's an option called fill. Choose the color, which is the white or black, and then you can change it to any color you want, like this. March, somewhere around there. Okay. So if you want to change the text color also, choose the top text layer and choose the text, and then from here you can change the color. So I don't like to change the color, so I'll keep it white. Okay, so now when it's ending, like the it's just if it's being just cut out, that's so ugly. So I thought of adding the dissolve transition, dissolve, and then add it to dissolve only to the end. I'm adding it to the end. You can add any transition which you like. So I will add music. So I'll get you after I add music. Okay, so here we go. I'm adding music. Okay. So now let me try making it to the length of the music clip. Okay, there we go. The transition will be there. It won't be cleared. So now let's check it out. Okay guys, so that's it. So if you want to watch the full clip which I created, there's nothing, just music and same thing going on. But if you want, I'm putting it on the green screen and you can watch it. So now I'm going to put another kind of clip to the green screen. So yeah, let's find it. You can watch it at the end. So there's nothing more to do. That's it. What we should do is, now I'll save the project. Okay guys, so here we go. I started exporting as if the glow effect, and also if you add a background. If it's an image, it won't take much time, but if it's a MB for video clip, it will take some time. Like here it says that 1 minute and 30 seconds, and also it depends on your PC specifications. So let's see how it goes. So guys, that's how just done. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you do this. So without talking anymore, I'll wrap up the video from here. Thanks for watching. Peace out.